What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all white wine grape varieties in Italy, coming from Italy, from the north of the country, from the Piedmont area, that is particularly famous for making the wines that are called Gavi. Around the town of Gavi, Gavi wines are some of the most famous Italian white wines. Of course, Italy is more famous for its red wines, but it does make some delicious white wines as well, including from the Cortese grapes. So do not say Cortese, but simply Cortese. Cortese. Do insist on the second syllable on the tese part. Cortese. If you want to learn more about the wines of Gavi, here are videos that you should watch next to learn more about your Italian vino. You are on the right channel if you like learning more about wine. I'll leave you to it and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Ciao ciao, arrivederci.